Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm doing a fresh and an artificial together hand-tied bouquet using tropical flowers and warm summer colors. So I have some Asiatic lilies here that I'm going to go ahead and remove all the leaves from, and then I like to pick their noses if they're fresh Asiatic lilies. Just get that pollen out of there because you don't want that to accidentally fall on somebody's garment. The stains, and it would just be a mess. Plus it gives a little bit cleaner view of the blossom itself. I also have some beautiful yellow roses that I'm going to remove the leaves from, and I will also take off the guard petals, which are the basically, as they sound, just the outer petals of the rose head itself. Don't want to throw those away. You want to keep those in case you're gonna use them in the aisle. You can sprinkle them on the table. It's just nice to hang on to those just in case. So make a little bag of them. And I have artificial orchids there. These are Cymbidium orchids, and they actually look like the real thing because, in my opinion, fresh Cymbidium orchids actually look artificial. So it was just kind of destined to be an artificial flower, I think, from birth. And I've got some artificial tropical foliage. Around the summertime, you can find the tropical foliage at your local florist. It's a nice hardy foliage. You can also cut them off of houseplants and use those as well if you wanted to stick with all fresh. And this is going to be more of a presentation bouquet since it drapes so nicely over the arm. Presentation bouquets are perfect for events where the garment is going to be showcased. If you have a dress that's very intricate in the front, you can carry this bouquet off to the side and away from the body so you can really see the garment. Or if it's a situation where you will only have one hand free, I would consider doing a presentation bouquet. And they're also fun and easy to arrange because you can do them right in your arms, and you can have that view from above of the beautiful flowers. But also, if you arrange it in front of a mirror, you can see what the audience is going to see as well too. So in this case, I'm using the camera so that I can see what I'm doing. And then with the stems, you can, I would suggest keeping them natural stems rather than wrapping the whole handle. But you can choose long or short if you are really going to carry it off to the side, really want it to stay away from the garment in the front there. I would clip them a little bit shorter, put a nice bow on there, and then like maybe measure about a hand or a hand and a half down to cut the stems. Or you can keep them longer if you like more of a garden feel with the stems exposed. Measure about 2 hands, two and a half hands down or so. And then once you have everything arranged, you can just tie it off with some wire I have here, or what works best is the chenille stem, which I'll have a link in the descriptions to chenille stem, wax floral tape that you can get on Amazon, just kind of basic things needed for bouquet arranging. But there we go. We made it all the way to the end. It's a fresh flower and artificial presentation bouquet. Thank you so much for watching.